All parties discussed are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This analysis is based on publicly available case status and procedural facts. We do not accuse, we analyze the legal process. And please keep in mind, the content presented in this episode is for informational and educational purposes only. It is based on publicly available records, filings, and news reports. We are not attorneys, and nothing discussed here should be interpreted as legal advice or factual determination of guilt or innocence. All parties mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please sit back and enjoy the show.
I'm bubbling, nigga. 3G4L, nigga. Look. Another stay with the game. Got my foot in the sand. Don't mention me in none of your comments. Go pick up your man. Slide and don't say nothing. They go fuck on the beach. All they know fast in jail, but they don't know what he did. Fuck the comments in a post. This is real life. If I ever catch a op, he gon' die that night. Bro be tryna tell me chill. No, I ain't living right. But he know I'm for the smoke, so don't believe the hype. If I got a step, then it is what it is. Balenciaga print. When I drop the little bitch, walk over him and we won't say nothing. Fuck getting them touched, bitch, I'ma crush him. That's what I'm saying.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Took the war, I'm just trying to lay. You dropping somebody, telling the gang it's only us. Don't let them in, we do it on our own. MO3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I been put my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got laying your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
100 pounds, I broke them down, that's why I ran through 'em. And if a nigga want them problems, we gon' tend to 'em. I'm in the trenches, relax, chillin' with my feet up in my handgun. Niggas just be talking, but ain't saying nothing. I was taught to watch these niggas and keep pissed. I be damned if I start laying with my nigga, he know I miss him. Niggas acting like bitches, I don't understand them, I don't get them. Got 'em straight out the trenches with some niggas that'll come key. Remember when my granny told me I'm a man now? She seen a nigga go get it without no hand down. I'm a real nigga, hands down. Stay focused, ain't got time to be playing around. That's a spaceship in, I can hear what they saying now. Good cushion and L, designer symbols all on my belts. Look in the mirror, boy, you good, yeah, I'm just talking to myself. I just be thinking about the hood, like how I came up from there. And we ain't going back, no cross count, I promise, I swear. Yeah, I been going in, early in the morning, stacking up that paper till this shit start getting boring. I key, that's warning, my niggas be on it. All the fucking money got these bitches acting horny.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Took the war, I'm just trying to lay. You dropping somebody, telling the gang it's only us. Don't let them in, we do it on our own. MO3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I been put my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got laying your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I been put my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
Thanks on my YouTube. Yo, it's your boy MO3. Man, we're live. We're going down. Yeah, I can't say that wet ass shit. Hold on. Yo, what it is, man? It's your boy MO3 live in a Dallas Metro play. And if you're tuned in, then hell nah, that shit whack in the bill. Hell nah, fuck this.
Let's let that die down a little bit. Salute, salute, salute to everybody in the room. Salute to everybody pulling up in the room, man. Salute, salute, salute to all the beautiful souls, man, that came through yet again, man, to come kick it with us, man, to come chop it up about this MO3 trial, this MO3 content, man. Salute to y'all, man. Salute to y'all, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Room 901. This is Legal Chess number 9. You know what I'm saying? Legal Chess number 9. This is just like a Mo3 trial update. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know sometimes we do the actual, you know what I'm saying, this person versus that person where we put it together. Then sometimes we just come and give y'all the updates. You know what I'm saying? It's been a lot of talk in the streets, you know what I'm saying? People looking at the docket, but you know what I'm saying? We here to clear some things up. We here to make some things make sense. We're here to dispel some rumors and also, man, give y'all some information, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all grab y'all pad, grab y'all pen, cause CB and Josh about to go the fuck in. Do you feel me? But y'all already know what it is. Y'all know what it ain't. And y'all know exactly what the fuck it should be, man. But just in case you don't, this is your boy, Big Josh, aka Josh World, aka Joshy Josh if you're nasty, ladies, but only if you're nasty, man. But don't be too nasty. You know what I'm saying? Don't be too nasty. Cause CB might cut you. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all already know she with me. You know what I'm saying? Right here on my side, as always, the love of my life. You know what I'm saying? The queen of room 901. God damn it, my paralegal, my attorney. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to call her, man. We got CB the G in the building. What's up, love?
Salute everyone. Hey baby. Salute to everybody. Y'all already know. I ain't gonna be too long today because yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, wore me out. Okay.
Whew.
But but today I just wanted to bring y'all an update. There's been rumors about a joint trial, so we gonna get into why it's not true. Okay, so that's basically what we bringing y'all today. Just sit back, enjoy the show. Not too much like we usually do, like just reiterating what baby said, but I just want to, put some facts out there. You know what I'm saying, instead of myths. So yeah, that's how we rocking today. What's up, babe?
That's right, baby. That's what you do. Every time I hear that, I think of RoboCop. That's right, baby. That's what you do.
That's right, baby. That's what you do, man. But you once again, man, salute to everybody in the building, man. We about to get to the shout outs. Excuse me, y'all. Hold on. Excuse me. We about to get to the shout outs, man. Then we finna go ahead and get straight to this content, man. You know what I'm saying? Like CB just said, we ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I don't imagine this being a long 3 hour live. You know what I'm saying? We just want to make sure that the gang, that the family is up to par on what's actually going on. You know what I'm saying? Cause we know, you know what I'm saying, a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all here for the Mo3 content. You know what I'm saying? So no matter who talking about them, no matter what blogger talking about it, y'all gonna be there for it. You know what I'm saying? I know it's a lot of stuff to be said. You know what I'm saying? All this. So we just want to make sure that y'all are up to date and y'all know exactly what's going on as far as this trial go. You feel me? So let me scroll to the top of the chat and let me try my best to get through these shout outs today, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me try my best to get to these shout outs, man. But y'all already know, you know what I'm saying? If I can't, you know what I'm saying, charge it to my head and not my heart. You feel me? I'm just a man. You know what I'm saying? And plus, technology is tripping. Hold on. Let me make sure. I'm up at the top. You know what I'm saying? The tippy top. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute, salute, salute to Strong Survive in the building, man. Matter of fact, let me start off, man. Salute to all my moderators, you know what I'm saying? All the kings and queens of the chat. You know what I'm saying? I don't even look at the chat. They already know the vibe, you know what I'm saying? They already know the mood of this live stream. They already know the mood of the chat. So if they get you out of here, you on your own, you know what I'm saying? But don't block nobody. Just 24 hours if need be. You know what I'm saying? You know, but y'all already know the vibe. I ain't gotta lay down over. Y'all know what's up, man. So they get you out of here. It's on you, man. But shout out to my moderators, man. Undying love and appreciation, man, for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So salute to Strong Survive in the building. You know what I'm saying? Salute to IGT in the building, man, by way of Sidewalk Gang, man. Salute to the whole Sidewalk Gang in the building, man. We got my big sis 4L in the building, man. Salute to you, big sis. Love you. We got my nigga Joe Black, man, in the building, man. Shout out to Joe Black, the big homie in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? The moderator, they be, hey, man, the squad, man, they be in here early, man, waiting. You know what I'm saying, man? That's why I appreciate y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Pretty Cookie. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my nigga Nisha, man. Shout out to you, gang. I see you in the building. My nigga J-Town in the building, man. Salute to your big bro. We got Sheila in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Sheila in the building. D Bird, what's good, my guy? Salute to Blue Moon Goddess, man. Yes, we have the Blue Jays in the building, man. Shout out to the Blue Jays. Shout out to Black Love, as always, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the Blue Jays, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how we rocking with y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in the building, man? Who else we got in the building? I'm seeing myself. We got Brown Sugar, baby, 83. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got two brown sugars that be over here. You know what I'm saying? So we got Brown Sugar, baby, 83 in the building, man. Let's go. Salute Brown Sugar. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Who else we got in here? Who else we got in here? Salute to your Ja. We got the gang in here, man. We got Ja in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? All praises to Ja. You feel me? Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Who else we got in here, man? We got the Cash Truth in the building. We got Miss Kim in the building, man. Let's go. We got the let's go. Let's get this party started right, man. Salute to the Cash Truth over there on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Sending those party cheers, man. We appreciate you, man. We appreciate you for those, man. Much love, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody over there on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Salute to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Candy's wig in the building. Salute. We got my nigga one wretched ass nigga in the building, but he already know the drill. You know what I'm saying? When he come over here, it's two ratchet ass niggas in the building because he over here with me. You know what I'm saying? But salute to my nigga, one ratchet ass nigga, man. Salute to you, my guy. Hope all is well with your family. Who else we got in here, man? We got Reflections with Kimberly in the building, man. I love that name, Reflections with Kimberly, man. Shout out to Kim, man. We got my guy, Slow Walking guy in the building, man. Shout out to the Skull Gang, man. Shout out to Skull Gang in the building, man. Salute to you, Slow Walking guy. Who else we got in here? We got my nigga Roast the Toast in the building, man. Let's get it, Roast. You know what I'm saying? I know you probably on the road, man. Be careful, man. Salute to all the drivers, J-Town, everybody that's probably out there on the road while y'all listening, driving, whatever, man. Safe travels, what they call it, traveler's grace and arrival's mercy, man, for all of y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be safe out there on that road, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. Who else we got in here? We got AC Shakura in the building, man. We got my nigga Tim Ave in the building, man. Salute to y'all, man. Who else we got in here? We got Miss Amazing in the building, man. Shout out to my girl, Miss Amazing, man. Always rocking out, man. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Love seeing y'all faces down there, man. Love seeing these faces down there, man. Let's get it. We got my boy WD Epic Gaming Lord. He in this bitch, man. Salute WD. Salute to your big brother. Let's get it, man. We got Boss Babe in the building, man. She said, shout out to the Legal Chess Council. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? We ain't no lawyers, but you know what I'm saying? Salute to you, man. We got the state of Unoya in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the state of Unoya in the building. Salute to you, love. Bahama Mama. Salute to Bahama Mama in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Salute to y'all, man. Let's go, man. Who else we got in here, man? Who else we got in here, man? I see some repeat commenters, man. We gonna find y'all. We gonna find the new ones. We gonna find the new ones, man. Let's get it. Who else we got in here? Who else we got in here, man? Hold on. We got Charlene Smith in the building. I see you, man. Salute to you, Charlene. We got Tammy Lynn in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you, Tammy.
I love you too, Tammy.
Most definitely, man. We, you know what I'm saying? One of our new moderators, you know what I'm saying? She always rocking out and supporting and loving on CB. And for that, I appreciate it, man. Salute to Tammy Lynn.
Tammy been with me since the escape room.
Let's go, man. She's still with you to this day, man. So she most definitely is now blue. You know what I'm saying? She's a part of the mob, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't ask much for the moderators, man, just to support. You know what I'm saying? Just to be here. You know what I'm saying? Even if you come through, say, hey, man, salute and go on about your business, man. You know what I'm saying? That's all. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no rules over here, man. You know what I'm saying? But salute to you, Tammy. Who else we got in here? Who else we got in here, man? Hold on, y'all. I'm looking for a salute. Bless Highly in the building, man. Salute to you, Bless Highly and the mob squad, man. You know what I'm saying? Mink most definitely did a good. She had a conversation with Sean G yesterday, man. I shared it on my community wall, man. Y'all go check that out, man. She had a dope conversation with Sean G on 11/11 yesterday, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all go check that out. Salute to the fam, Z901, man. Salute to the Holmes team in town in this bitch, man. 9014L, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Salute to the home team.
Caesar not blocked. Caesar talking about I must be blocked over here.
Nah, I just ain't seen you yet. See, you know you blocked over here, man. You know what I'm saying? We don't really do too much blocking, man, but we don't want no weird energy over here. You know, not saying you see Dub, I'm just putting it out. You know what I'm saying? For anybody that may find themselves blocked, you know what I'm saying? We don't want no weird energy over here. You know what I'm saying? You can watch from the bushes and talk wherever you talk it, but none of that over here, man. You know what I'm saying? We keep it clean, we keep it positive, man. We want the energy cleansed over here, man. So all that bad juju, y'all keep that where, you know what I'm saying, where y'all be at, man. But salute to everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? My nigga King LX is in the building, man. What's going on with your LX? Salute to. We got Nika the Empress in the building. Salute to the Empress. You know what I'm saying? Salute to your love. You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody here, man. Y'all make sure y'all hitting that like button for your boy, though, man. Go on here, take this time to get the likes up as much as y'all can. You know what I'm saying? Go on, get the likes up for us, man. If you can, go ahead. Let's do that. My nigga Stop 6 in the building, man. Shout out to the Funk. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Funk, man. Shout out to my nigga Rooted G, man. We got the Cash Truth coming through again over there on Twitch, man, with those cheers, man. Salute to the Cash Truth, man. You know what I'm saying? I am the truth, man. Salute to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Uprise, what it do, man? I see you in the building, man. There you go. Hold on, let me on the fin. On the fin, you in this bitch, C-Dub. On the fin, what's popping, Mighty? You know what I'm saying? You in this bitch, man. We got my nigga Nomad in here. I do not say this nigga whole name, but salute to Nomad, man. This nigga, salute to Nomad, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep your business to yourself, man. We don't need to know all that, my guy. But salute to my nigga Nomad, man. In the building, dog. I ain't seen Nomad in a minute, though, man. I don't know if I just ain't been seeing you in the chats or whatever, man. But I hope all is well with you, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't been seeing you in no chats or nothing like that. But salute to you, my guy. I hope all has been well with you. Who else we got in here, man? Who else we got in here, man? You know what I'm saying? Top Flight. What's up with you, sis? I see you. We got Panda. She over there on Twitch, man. Panda over there on Twitch, but you already know she gang. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Panda, man. Salute to Panda in the building. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got? Y'all give me a second, get through these shout outs, man. I want to make sure I acknowledge everybody that take their time out to pull up on us, man. You know what I'm saying? God's child, salute to your love. I see you in the building. I see you. Adjusted Fate. You know what I'm saying? Our check. She's what could I call her? Adjusted Fate. She's our legal check expert. I call her that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure.
Just fake, man. You know what I'm saying? Just fake. Just keep a little bit of on the low. You know what I'm saying? Keep a little bit on the low. You be posting stuff, you be saying stuff like, I don't say that in the public. We already on it. But salute to you, love. We appreciate you, man. Utilize that email, though. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely utilize their email because these people be watching close. And by the time we get to it, because we be having busy schedules, people be running with stuff and all that, man. But salute to you, man, for the information and everything that you bring to us, man. Salute to Top Flight. To Adjusted Fate. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here, man? You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody over there that's coming in on Twitch as well. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let me hide this comment so my thing won't mess up.
We got Kim, 10th Ward No. What's up, Kim, sis? We got 10th Ward No coming in. Did you already say Reflections with Kimberly?
Most definitely.
All right. Highlighted Comments TV, what's good?
All right, I can start right here. Okay, boom. All right. Who else we got, man? I want to make sure Power Ranger Slayer. Shout out to Power Ranger Slayer in the building. Salute to the gang. We got Nancy Drew in the building, not the white Nancy Drew. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Is that the Nancy Drew? I don't know. But salute to Nancy Drew in the building over there on Twitch, man. She rocks out with CB because she put the CB emoji.
That's right.
Man.
That's right. Let's go.
Nancy Drew, man.
Let's go,
over there on
Nancy.
Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in her, man? Who else we got in her, man? Who else do we have in the building, man? Down south 3322. He said Florida in the house, man. Salute to Florida, man. You know what I'm saying? She said, Josh, y'all the only one to pronounce it correctly. Shout out to you, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no dummy, man. I got you, you know what I'm saying? And I like saying it. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you, man. Appreciate that. But salute to Florida in the building. We got my nigga Nutter in the building. Hold on. I ain't mind
What's
Nutter.
good, Nutter?
Let me mind my boy Nutter up, man. You know what I'm saying? Nutter, drop your link in the chat, man. You know what I'm saying? Drop your link in the chat, man. Make sure you drop your link in the chat, man. Y'all go check out my boy commentary, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go make sure y'all go tap in with Nutter, man. Real nigga right there, dog. You hear me? Real nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here? Sco fan. Salute to you, baby. I
Hey,
have
Sco fan.
Sorry, I had a busy day today. You know what I'm saying? I have yet to go over there and fix the moderators on Twitch, but I promise you, I'm gonna be on top of it. I promise y'all. Give me a second. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Who we got in here, man? Who we got in here? Who we got in here? Okay, it's Jay Grizzly. Salute to you, man. Salute to Jay Grizzly in the building, man. Who else we got? Everybody talking about they must be blocked. Nah, we see y'all. We got Big Sis Kim in the building, man. Tenderoni gang, man. Some of my day one moderators, man. Shout out to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Never changed up on the boy, man. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate the consistency, man. If nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here, man? Who else we got in here, man? I should be at the bottom, man. We got highlighted comments. My nigga Show Nuff in the building, man. Salute to Show Nuff, man. We got Nunu in the building, man. I see you, Nunu. Salute to your love. Who else we got? Who else we got? All right, let me make sure. Okay, hold on. It's still going down. It's still going down. It's still going down. Hold on, I missed somebody. Oh, that's the Cash Truth again over there on Twitch. Okay.
We
Okay,
got
to
Queen
make sure.
Row on Twitch. We got Royal T that just came in. Hey, love.
Salute to y'all. Salute to y'all, man. Let's go, Cash Truth coming through again over there on Twitch, man, showing all that love, man. Salute to the
Let's
Cash
go.
Truth, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You already said salute to Queen Ro, but salute to you. She said giving grandbabies the bath and listening. Salute to your grandbabies, man.
Nah,
Salute
for
to your
sure.
grandbabies, man. You know what I'm saying? I pray to God keep them covered. You know what I'm saying? Protect them, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to all the babies, man. Salute to them, man. And salute to you, man. Appreciate you for being here with us, man. Even though you're doing granny duties, man. That's a grandma right there. You feel me? Salute to you. Thank you for being here. Amber, what's up with you, my girl? Salute to your love. Hope all is well with you. We got my boy coming through with the 9.99 sticker,
Let's
man.
go,
You know
One
what I'm saying?
Red.
Let's go, man. Salute to my nigga, one ratchet ass nigga, man, for that 9.99, man. We appreciate you, my guy. All right, man. Who else we got in here? Who else do we have? Okay, I'm at the bottom. I'm at the bottom. All right, man. I made it today. I made it. I ain't gonna lie to you. This was way easier than doing with 300. I ain't gonna lie. When we probably get over 150, y'all, I'm gonna go and let y'all know this now. Anytime we do a live and it's probably more than 150 people in here, man, we might just have to skip the. My bad. I see you. I see you, QC. I
Hey,
see you, QC.
QC.
You come in and roll her eyes. I see you, QC. My bad. My bad if
Don't
I
do
see you, man.
QC.
You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody, man. If I missed anybody, man, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, charge to my head, not my heart, man. You know what I'm saying? But we most definitely appreciate everybody that's in the building, man. We appreciate y'all, man, for rocking out with us, man, on a consistent basis, man. But once again, man, welcome to Legal Chess number 9. Correct? Ain't this number 9?
This is number 9.
Let's go, man. You know, when we started putting in the numbers, you start getting lost in them, man. So we welcome to Legal Chess number 9. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get down to this whole joint trial and some things people may be overlooking, man. You know what I'm saying? But long live MO3, justice for MO3, justice for Roy Lee, and justice for Bubba 4L, man. You know what I'm talking about? Any announcements before we get into the content? Anything people need to know? I don't think so.
I don't think so. Of course, we got to do our thing, but no announcements, no board set up today. Again, I don't want to keep y'all long. This is more so unpacking the joint trial rumor. There's been rumors of there being a joint trial, and I kind of just wanted to get into it and give y'all like a legal perspective. Again, I'm not an attorney. If you need attorney advice, please seek out an attorney. Okay, I'm not an attorney. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and that's where I'm at with it. Okay.
Hold on. So, Amber talking about she have an announcement. What's your announcement, Amber? What is your announcement, man? What is your announcement, man? Let us know. She said long live MO3. That's your announcement?
I know that's right.
Let's go, man. But look, I hope everybody hit the like button, man. Y'all go run the likes up, man. We should. I know we ain't got 100 haters. So even though it's 160 people in the building or 100, close to 160, because some people over there on Twitch, go out, man. We should at least have 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? At least have 100 likes, man. So go ahead and hit the like button now, so you won't have to do it later. You can just sit back and watch the show. You feel me? Let's get to it, babe.
All right, let's go. All right, so yesterday I showed this on the MO3 episode that we had yesterday. By the way, if you haven't been able to check that out, please go ahead and check that out. Nice little setup we had yesterday. It turned out to really, really well. I was really happy about that. But most of y'all have seen the trial alignment, okay, with Devin, Keywan, and Beezy. All right. People are hearing that it is a joint trial. Okay, we gonna get into the joint trial rumor and why it's not true, people. Okay, the first reason why the joint trial rumor is not true is because one, the court never ordered a joint trial. There is no court document, docket entry, or ruling saying all defendants will be tried together. Each defendant has their own case number, their own docket, and their own scheduled trial date. All right. So that's number one. The key things is they have their own case number, their own docket, and their own scheduled trial date. Keep that in mind.
So
Number
question,
two,
question real quick. So are you gonna
go
get
ahead.
into why people are saying that it's a joint trial?
So yeah, we can get into that now before this. So people are saying it's a joint trial because Yellow Beezy, Keywan, and Devin all have the same trial date, which is February 2nd, 2026. So that confused a lot of the people, right? So that is the reason for us doing this live, so y'all can kind of be up to date and know why the joint trial rumor is not true.
Right.
Okay.
Because y'all know the Devin and Keywan filed their motions of continuances or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And
Correct.
you know what I'm saying? Y'all go back and check those lives out. Y'all go check out the playlist, you know what I'm saying? Because everything always become back relevant, you know what I'm saying? So make sure we got all the legal chess episodes in the chronological order in the playlist, you know what I'm saying? So y'all go check out the Devin and Keywan legal chess episodes we did to get more information on those motion of continuances, you know what I'm saying? But like she just said, they filed Keywan and Devin did file motion. They were granted. We'll show y'all those documents in a minute. They filed the motions that were granted motion of continuances. And just to fast forward a little bit, we're gonna get to everything. The date that they now have is the same date as Yellow Beezy, which is February the 2nd, 2026. And a lot of people look at that and say, "Oh wow, it's gonna be a joint trial." But thank God for CB. You know what I'm saying? Thank God for Rome Down to One Illegal Chess, because we here to clear that up for you. Let's cook, baby. Salute the Fly Rebel in the building, man. Salute everybody coming in.
All right, so let's get into the different case numbers. Different case numbers equal separate trials. So if it was a joint trial, the cases would be consolidated under a single cause number. That never happened. The cases remain independent, which means the court treats each defendant separately. All right? Let's get into the dates matching doesn't mean joint trial. When two defendants have the same trial date, that's just a calendar assignment, not a legal sorry, I almost fucked up that word. Consolidation. Courts do this all the time to manage crowded dockets, especially in serious felonies. Same date does not equal same trial.
Write that down. Remember that.
All right. Each defendant has different evidence and motions. Every defendant in this case is fighting their own legal battle. Different evidence, different witness issues, different statements, different exposure to charges. Their attorneys don't want their cases blended because one person's situation can hurt the others, right? So separate trials protect each defense team's ability to tell their own story.
We talking about the chess game, y'all. You know what I'm
Correct.
saying? We talk about the chess. It's a reason why we call this legal chess. You know what I'm saying? Not like it's a reason why, because this is really how it go down. These folks be playing chess.
Correct. All right, y'all. The continuances were granted separately. When Devin and Keywan got pushed back to February 2nd, 2026, that was done with individual orders. Again, proving these are separate cases. So just because Devin and Keywan continuances was granted and they were giving the date that Yellow Beezy was initially given for his trial doesn't make it a joint trial. And again, it's some this is strategically happening. Okay, they are doing this for a reason. All right, so just keep that in mind. This is not a joint trial, and these are the reasons why. Okay, the only person who can order a joint trial is the judge. Okay, there is zero language on the docket like order for joint trial or cause consolidated. Without that, there is no joint trial. End of story. End of story, period. There's no joint trial. So when y'all hear that, no, say, man, that's not true. That's false. That's putting out to the people that's not even true. It's inaccurate,
Yes.
and it's just inaccurate information. Okay. Here's the strategy note, right? Separate trials keep cases clean. Sorry about that. Separate trials keep the cases clean. Trying 3 people together in a murder for hire case could risk prejudice, conflictive narratives, appeal issues. Courts avoid joint trials in complicated homicide cases because it could blow the entire conviction later. Right?
Exactly.
So, you got any questions for me, baby? Or
How
I
you
can
feel
move
about what
forward.
Take Said 1-3 said? They might be in the same courtroom, but different juries.
We'll get into that, but no,
All right.
that's not gonna happen.
Okay.
All right, and here's why. Here's what. So we know Devin and Keywan were granted continuances, right? So in doing this, I said, well, is it possible for Yella Beezy? Can he still ask for a continuance, right?
Right.
Yes, he absolutely is possible, right? Even though his trial date is already set for February 2nd, 2026, he can still petition the court for a continuance later on. A defendant can request one at any point before trial if there's a legally valid reason. Now, we're finna get into it. Listen, y'all gotta remember, Devin and Keywan being on the docket. What was the first thing they did? What? Ask for a continuance because there's what? A lot of evidence that has to be ran through. Their defense
Exactly.
attorneys has to go through evidence. Yella Beezy's date was already set to February 2nd, 2026. His was initially set like that. Keywan's and Devin's wasn't. So let's say Yella Beezy asked for a continuance, then where will his trial date go? It could be different than February 2nd, 2026, correct?
Right. And
So
that's what I
go
initially
ahead.
thought was gonna happen. That he was gonna file for a continuance as well.
Yeah, so not saying that he has or that he will. I'm just trying to show the people that Devin and Keywan's date was initially different for their trial. They asked for continuances and they put it the same as Yella Beezy's, which was a strategic move. But Yella Beezy could come and say, hey, I need a continuance, and then what? His trial date will be pushed back. It will no longer be February 2nd, 2026. So that answers your question, Texas 713. They will not be in the same courtroom. What if Beezy asks for a continuance, which he can? All right. New evidence suddenly surfaces. This is how Beezy can ask for a continuance. All right. If the defense receives late evidence, new discovery, updated subpoenas, or anything that changes their strategy, they can legally request more time. Right? Number 2, a witness becomes unavailable. If a key witness is sick, missing, refuses to appear, or becomes legally unavailable, the defense can ask the judge for a delay to secure the testimony. Did you hear that, baby?
Yes, Lord, I did.
So let's say a witness becomes unavailable that they needed for Yella Beezy, or they become sick, or they missing. Yella Beezy can ask for a continuance. What would that do? Push that trial date back.
Which is crazy because you do have Jose Bodega who do have some health complications, and you know what I'm saying. Like I know we try not to do the conspiracy theory, but I always say, man, if Yellow Beezy don't go down, it's gonna be because certain people was in place to do certain things. Because one thing I learned by observing the Diddy trial, some of the witnesses was there to purposely throw the case, like Dunn Richards. You know what I'm saying? I believe that her testimony was thrown like that on purpose, man. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna do too much on this live with that, but that's a possibility. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. Remember, y'all, we are at if Yellow Beezy can ask for a continuance, and if so, why? Right? The next thing, a co-defendant's case impacts his case, right? So if Devin or Keywan take plea deals, cooperate, refuse to cooperate, or make statements that shift the narrative, that can give Beezy's attorneys a basis to pause and reevaluate the whole strategy.
Okay, read that again. Hold on. If Devin and Keywan take plea deals, cooperate, refuses to cooperate, or make statements that shift the narrative, they can give Beezy's attorney a basis to pause and reevaluate the strategy.
Correct.
That is very possible.
Correct. Now check this one out. Ongoing federal activity. If anything federal begins to overlap, subpoenas, investigations, new intel, his attorneys may argue the case can't properly proceed until that resolves. Who always come first? Who did I tell y'all trumps the state?
Federal.
Feds will always trump the state. I don't care what nobody tell you. The feds will always go first. Period, point blank, bottom line. They trump the state.
And so let's do a little homework real quick. Let's see what if the chat been following us. So who's in the feds right now that's been subpoenaed? You know what I'm saying? That they know what I'm saying, just took an agreement or whatever. They got some federal stuff going on. Who is that, y'all? Let's see if y'all up to par. You know what I'm saying? See if y'all been paying attention. You know what I'm saying? Who is that? Who's in the feds right now? You know what I'm saying? It's been subpoenaed. You know what I'm saying? They could possibly give them some new intel. You know what I'm saying? Let us know. Who is that? Y'all let us know. No, take them a couple. Nah, not Bodega. Well, Bodega is one of them. Yeah, you right. But it's one particular person. Let's go, dog. JJ, you know what I'm saying? Nigga said Springer. Salute to members. Salute to, yes, let's go. But really, Jerry and Jose Bodega. Salute to Kim. You know what I'm saying? Because Jose Bodega most definitely has some federal stuff going on as well. So, yes, Jerry and Jose Bodega. Let's go. Salute to y'all, man, for paying attention.
All right. So, we own why Yellow Beezy can't ask for a continuance. We still on that. Complex evidence that needs time. Let's say it's cell phone data, location data, ballistics, witness statements, third-party subpoenas. All of this takes time to analyze, and the defense can argue they need more time.
Let's go. Look like it's possible, man. Like it's very possible that Yellow Beezy can and will be filing for a continuance, in my opinion.
Most definitely. The last one on why he will be able to ask for a continuance. In the interest of justice, this is the catch-all. Texas judges grant continuances if they believe rushing the case risks an unfair trial, defense needs more time to prepare, new circumstances create confusion or conflict. Interest of justice is used all the time in homicide trials. So the bottom line is, yes, Beezy can still ask. A trial date doesn't lock anything in store. As long as the reasons are legitimate, the court can push it back just like it did for Devin and Keywan.
Facts. And one thing for those that do be looking at the docket, you know what I'm saying, the active docket, just understand that most of the things that's in the docket, especially when you see dates and all this stuff, is not written in stone. Those things can continually change. You know what I'm saying? So just know that. So if you see a date tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, take it with a grain of salt because it could potentially change. You know what I'm saying? Just understand that. Salute to Miss Scorpio Life in the building, man. Salute to everybody coming in.
Salute Miss Scorpio Life. All right. So how likely is it that a judge would grant Yellow Beezy a continuance? High if the reason is legitimate, okay? So the likelihood increases when new evidence drops late. If the state turns over new discovery or third-party subpoenas come in close to trial, the defense usually gets more time. Judges rarely force a trial when evidence is still coming in.
Right. And it's y'all seen with the other continuances, you know what I'm saying? Because they had the 15 terabytes to come in, and they would granted them, they would allow them to grant their motion, you know what I'm saying, to a motion of continuance, because the new 15 terabytes of information that was added to the discovery. You know what I'm saying? And I could predict that the discovery will probably, because there's a lot of more subpoenas, you know what I'm saying, a lot of business, like the subpoenas gonna get a little bit more lengthier, you know what I'm saying? If this is my opinion. Hold on, we got a question real quick. She said, Blue Moon said, with that, with that, this has been my question, CB and Josh. Even if he can X, will he honestly be granted? With the DA argue he's had enough time, the same amount as the other two. What you say to that, love?
And this is what I would say to that. He very well could be granted, right? So again, if new evidence drops late, or his lawyer is not going to ask for a continuance unless he know he has a strong, legitimate reason for asking for a continuance. Say new evidence comes in, because y'all got to remember this is an ongoing investigation, right? So it's still ongoing. If new evidence comes in, things happen, a witness, like we going through them right now, new evidence drops, a witness changes, all of that is likely, it increases his likelihood of having a continuance. It increases. You know what I'm saying? He can push it back just like Keywan and Devin did.
Right.
He
Okay, we
has
got
that
a
right. Yella Beezy hasn't asked for a continuance as of yet. Keywan and Devin have, but Yella Beezy does have that right.
look at J. Look at my baby trying to be a lawyer and shit. Let's go. All right, we got another salute to my nigga Slide for 3, man. He said Yellow already had one granted, didn't he? His trial was in November. What you say to
Yellow,
that?
Yellow has not had a continuance granted. I didn't see anything on the docket where his lawyers motioned for a continuance. I didn't see that. You know what I'm
No,
saying?
no,
So
he do not have
yeah,
a
there's
motion of
not one. I
continuance.
mean, I went over it with the fine tooth comb and I didn't see that. They may have just changed his date, but as far as a continuance, no. You know what I'm saying?
No,
And
and
keep in
matter of fact,
mind,
no, matter of fact, let me clear that up because I just thought about it. Yellow Beezy date was always 2026. What you thinking about
correct.
is Devin and Key Ones was supposed to be in November. Yellow
Yes,
Beezy was always, you know what I'm saying, in 2026. His date hasn't changed yet since the beginning.
correct.
All right.
All right, so we are on how likely is it that a judge would grant Yellow Beezy a continuance? All right, likelihood increases when a witness changes, disappears, or flips. If someone refuses to testify, becomes unavailable, or suddenly cooperates, judges almost always allow defense time to adjust. So let's say they have somebody else that come in with some information, or they have someone that refuses to testify.
It shift the whole case.
It shifts the whole case. So guess what? Yellow Beezy's defense team has to change up their strategy. Guess what? I asked for a continuous, judge. And it's likely to be granted.
Right.
All
Right.
right? Co-defendants shift the landscape. If Devin or Keywan take a plea, give statements, or refuse to cooperate, Beezy's team can argue this changes the entire strategy. Just like I just said. Right? All right.
Mm-hmm.
The likelihood decreases when. Now, this is when the likelihood decreases. So he wouldn't be granted a continuance, right?
It's the flip side of it.
Here you go, Blue Moon sis. Defense has already had plenty of time. If the judge believed Beezy's lawyers had full access to everything for a long time, a delay is less likely, right? It appears purely strategic with no legal basis. If it looks like they're just trying to stall the case forever, judges get irritated and deny it, right? Here's this last one. Victims' family rights get impacted. Texas law requires judges to consider the victim's family, and a reasonable delay that can push the judge to hold the line.
Right. So, for example, the victim's family, you already know that the victim is MO3. You know what I'm saying? So, let's say, for
Mhm.
instance, a family member say, "Look, it's been 5 years." Like Texas 713 just came and said, "It's been 5 years already. What are we doing?" You know what I'm saying? They will take that into account as well.
Correct. If it's not a legitimate reason, they will not grant it. Okay. So here's the overall reality, y'all. The overall reality, and remember, we are at how likely it is for a judge to grant Yellow Beezy a continuance. In a complicated murder for hire case with multiple defendants, years of evidence, overlapping subpoenas, conflicting witness statements, possible federal crossover, the chances of a continuance being granted are realistically above 50%. It's not guaranteed, but it's not unusual either.
Right. But matter of fact, most in most trials, you know what I'm saying, continuances are damn near automatic. You know what I'm saying? Because that's why if you look at, I think I got the document. Hold on, let me put this document up real quick.
Okay, I'll
So I
take
want
this
to, I
down.
want, I want to show them something. Let me pull up Devon's. I think it says it on her. Let me make sure. Hold on. Hold on. Maybe I forgot to pull this up. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Boom. Is it up there? Okay, there we go. All right. Now let me open up this real quick. Okay. So this is the motion. You know what I'm saying? This is the Devon's motion. I just want to show y'all something real quick. Hold on. Give it a second. Come on, man. Pop up. What the hell is going on? Why is my shit
Give it
tripping?
time. Give it time. Give it time. Go
No,
back
it ain't
and
even loading up. Let
go
me
back
try
and
it
come back
again.
in.
Hold on. Let me try it again. Y'all give me 1 second. Salute to everybody in the building, man.
There you go.
If it popped up,
Yeah, it popped up. It's
it's still
loading. It
spinning.
looks. Yeah, it's spinning.
No, it's still spinning. Yeah, it's still spinning on my end. Man, well, if y'all go look, I don't know why. Hold on, man, because I don't like that. Hold on. But if y'all go look at Devon's, you know what I'm saying? We did post it on one of the old Legal Chess episodes. I'm gonna have to figure. I might have to update my laptop. Probably got too much shit loaded up in here. Got my shit running slow. But if y'all go look at Devon's, it say Devon's first motion of continuous. You know what I'm saying? So you 9 times out of 10, the motions are damn near automatic. You know what I'm saying? You get a few motions. You know what I'm saying? Of continuances. It's damn near automatic. I wish I could have showed y'all that. But on Devon's, it say first. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but salute the scorekeeper over there on Twitch, man. Salute the scorekeeper for
Salute,
those. Cheers.
scorekeeper.
Appreciate you. Thank you, gang. Thank you. Thank you. All right, go ahead, baby. You can continue cooking.
All right. So now we finna get into why judges avoid joint trials in murder cases, okay? Why they avoid it. Joint trials in homicide cases come with serious risk. Conflicting defenses can confuse the jury. One defendant's statements can damage someone else. Evidence that applies to one person but not another can create unfair prejudice. And if anything goes wrong, the entire conviction becomes vulnerable on appeal. Courts don't take that kind of chance in a case this complicated.
Exactly. Exactly. One wrong move, you could blow trial. You know what I'm saying? One wrong move, you could blow trial. You know what I'm saying? And
Yep.
I most definitely feel that.
All right. So why the same trial date confuses people? Seeing the same trial date on the docket throws the public off. Same date makes it look like everyone is showing up together, right? But trial dates can overlap simply because the court's calendar is packed. Different defendants can share a date and still have completely separate trials. Matching dates don't mean matching trials, period.
Remember that. Remember that, child. Matching dates don't mean matching trials. You know what I'm saying? Because we like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all might know niggas who have the same date, you know what I'm saying, at the same court. That don't mean they having a joint trial. You know what I'm saying? It just, it's the scheduling thing and strategy. Scheduling and strategy.
All right. So, what are the people seeing that creates the joint trial rumor? A few things make people think this is all happening together. Similar subpoena timing, similar witness names, trial dates close together, overlapping courtroom numbers, and filings that hit the docket around the same time. But these patterns are normal in cases connected to the same incident. They don't mean the trials are combined.
Exactly. Because again, if you go look at the docket, you may see the same subpoenas on all of their dockets. You know what I'm saying?
For sure.
It's just so you look at the docket and just take it for face value. You may be like, oh shit, all these things are connected, but they not. They just run them like that. You know what I'm saying? They just run them like that. Salute to SIT Ken in the building, man. We appreciate that, gang. I seen what you said, man. I appreciate that.
All right. The only way a joint trial could happen, and this is hypothetically, right? A joint trial would require agreement from every defense attorney, agreement from the state, and a signed consolidation order from the judge. That hasn't happened. At this stage, it's not even a realistic possibility.
It's not even realistic. So just throw that out. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all go to any chat, you know what I'm saying? I hear anybody talking about joint trial, they'll be like, nah, man, that ain't true. That ain't true, man. It ain't gonna happen. It ain't even likely to happen, man. Let's stop saying it. Let's move on. You know what I'm saying? Let's actually know what's going on, man.
All right. So, what a joint trial would actually look like? A joint trial would be obvious. there would be one witness list instead of three, one evidence packet, one pretrial hearing, one unified cause number, one jury selection. None of that is happening, which tells the real story. Okay, so what did Texas 13 say? Didn't he say something like they could all be in the same courtroom? You know what I'm saying?
It with
Under
different juries or something like that.
correct. Not gonna happen. This is what a joint trial would actually look like. Again, I'm gonna read that. A joint trial would be obvious. There would be one witness list instead of three, one evidence packet, one pretrial hearing, one unified cause number. So all of them would have the same case number, one jury selection. None of this is happening, which tells the real story. There is no joint trial, people, not in the MO3 case. And I gave y'all know I love visuals, right? I love a good visual. So this visual here is how joint trials actually work in Texas. A real joint trial requires the court to legally merge the cases into one cause number. There's the one judge, there's one jury, one set of motions, and one evidence list. So if you like me and you need a visual, there you go.
Let's go. And I like, hold on, let me
Go
read a
ahead.
couple of
Let
these
me go ahead.
chats. Big Reed, you know what I'm saying? Cause I heard Big Reed speaking on the continuance, you know what I'm saying? Like a couple of weeks ago, and he was most definitely on point as far as like how in trials, especially in Dallas County, you know what I'm saying? You more than likely gonna get a continue, at least one of them. You know what I'm saying? And they ain't gonna let you continue to keep filing a motion for continuance, but more than likely you're gonna get one. He said, I ain't seen too many joint trials in Dallas County. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? SRT Ken said they started. He said Theo started out. I don't know. I think he might say they, but they started all this shit and gonna be the rat
He
at the
meant
end of the
Theodore.
day.
He said Theo.
Ah,
So he
okay,
meant,
okay,
yeah.
Theo. Oh yeah, okay. AC Shakura said you have other CCs. You have other CCs out the Mo3 sector doing Mo3 content that got different narratives, but over here, it's not a narrative. These are the facts. You know what I'm saying? That's the
Facts.
difference. You know what I'm saying? We might add a narrative, but it's gonna be after we present the facts. You know what I'm saying? All right. We got Kim. She said an example in the young. This is one I was looking for because this is so true.
Mm-hmm.
An example in the young Dow trial, Justin Johnson, Cornelia Smith had the same dates, but not the same trial
There you
time.
go. Perfect
There you
example,
go.
Kimberly. Perfect
Let's go.
example.
All right,
All
baby,
right.
continue to cook.
All right. So I wanted to end with this, right? So this is the joint trial rumor and why it's not true. Again, if you like me and you need a visual, take you a screenshot and look at why all the reasons why it's not true. How joint trials actually work in Texas. What people think. Why people think it's a joint trial. Why judges avoid joint trials and homicides, and the only way a joint trial could happen. Okay? I'm not gonna read all that to y'all. That's just a visual. Take your screenshots, look it over so you can see why, so you can get the gist of why. I mean, Mo3's case, you know what I'm saying? It's just not joint. It's not gonna happen. It's not even a possibility. Something would have to happen for it to become a joint trial. And I'm talking about extremely drastic would have to happen. So in summary, right? Separate trials keeps the board moving piece by piece. One trial can strengthen another. One person's testimony can shift leverage. One ruling can influence how the next case unfolds. This isn't a joint trial. This is a sequence of individual trials that fits all into the bigger legal chess game. There's y'all legal chess, y'all.
Oh Lord, hold on. Kim coming through. You know what I'm saying? She said my abuser filed a continuance more than 6 times. There are multiple ways to get a continuance and change an attorney is exactly change an attorney is one,
Yes.
which is what my abuser did. You know what I'm saying? Let's
Yep.
go. Let's go, man.
That's true.
You know?
That's true. But again, like I told y'all, we weren't gonna keep y'all on. We right on the money, an hour, which that's what I expected for us to do. But yeah, y'all, there's no
Right.
joint trial. So when you hear that, uh, just X that out your mind. There's no joint trial, period, point blank, bottom line. I just showed y'all the reasons why. Anything you gotta add, baby, I gotta finish cooking.
You know what I'm saying? We can use this time for question because you know what I'm saying. We don't usually do a question and answer. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So we'll probably like 30 more minutes. If anybody want to hit the link, you know what I'm saying, real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just ask a question or pick our brain or you got anything to say. You know what I'm saying? If you want to come up, just understand we got about 30 minutes left. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna drop the link. Because sometimes we do want to hear from y'all. You know what I'm saying? We do want to hear from y'all. You know what I'm saying? Now we ain't just finna sit up here for no 6 hours and because baby over there cooking fish and every goddamn thing. You know what I'm saying? My Lakers is playing tonight. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna be back though. You know what I'm saying? We got some research to do tonight too. You know what I'm saying? We got some research to do tonight. Most definitely. So the link is in the chat. You know what I'm saying? You want to pull up if you got a question that we probably can't answer because we're not legal experts. You know what I'm saying? We don't have all the answers. You know what I'm saying? But if we can help, if we can steer you in the right direction, we can most definitely do that. Or you can put it in the chat. Yeah. Or if you want to, if you got any questions about any of the Legal Chess episodes, you know what I'm saying, that you've been thinking about, anything that you just got on your mind, man, let us know. You know what I'm saying? Now's the time to hit the chat. You know what I'm saying? Salute to your Cherry. We got Big Sus in the building, man. Salute to the little Big Sus Cherry, man. Pure chaos. Cherry, drop your link in the chat if you want to, man. Oh, okay. Well, salute to the Pure Chaos family, man. You know what I'm saying? They're doing their thing, going viral, man. You know what I'm saying? But the link is in the chat. You know what I'm saying? If anybody want to pull up, it's not a necessity. You know what I'm saying? Just want to make sure, you know what I'm saying, that everybody's voice be heard. You know what I'm saying? All the questions be answered. You can put the question in the chat as well. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely, man. Did y'all enjoy the live yesterday, man? Y'all enjoy 11-11, man. Shout out to the sector, man. You know what I'm saying? That the sector put all the fuckery to the side. You know what I'm saying? People was outside enjoying MO3. People was online enjoying MO3. You know what I'm saying? You know, so man, salute to the sector, man. They most definitely put on, man. You know what I'm saying? Memphis Most Wanted said, I think y'all should show people that Yella is very well connected / is a part of GRC. Wow. Okay. We might have, you know what I'm saying? We might have an episode or something on there. You just never know, man, where this Legal Chess gonna go. We don't have pre-playing. You know what I'm saying? We let it flow, man. Yeah. Cause we just can't, you know what I'm saying? We gotta let the paperwork show that. Cause we can of course prove it through videos and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? But we like for the paperwork and the docket. So when the docket get there, we'll most definitely get there, man. We got some dope Legal Chess episodes coming up, man. We ain't done. We are not done. You know what I'm saying? We are not done. I put my question in the chat already. Yeah, yesterday was good. All right, so let me see if I can find it. If not, you know what I'm saying? Go and type it one more time for me, my guy, if you don't mind. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate that too. He said, do you guys have concerns about your safety when covering? No, we don't. No, we don't. Not at all. And you know what I'm saying? You got bloggers around here. I hit a couple of chats. I be hearing not bloggers, but I be hearing some people say little things. Man, look, I'm from South Memphis. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna say, man. You know, I'm from South motherfucking Memphis, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't always been this smart. Plus, you know what I'm saying? We good over here, man. We covered. You know what I'm saying? We covered, man. Salute to Joe Blake. He said best content smoking. He said, look at the chat. For I am looking at the chat, dog. I just probably missed that one, man. But who was there? Let me see if I can go back up. I was waiting on that Bodega Pacer content CB found. Oh, we got to come in some more stuff. We got Yeah. You know, everything gotta flow. Everything gotta flow. You know what I'm saying? But the next one, though, you know what I'm saying? The next Legal Chess episode is gonna be a goodie. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can find Cash Gang question. Let me see if I can find it. I don't see it. Let me see. I hope it ain't too far up, man. And not, you know what I'm saying? Just exit again. You know what I'm saying? What are you? What? Tell them. Tell them what I'm cooking. You can come tell them what you cooking. I'm doing. He said you missed my questions. Man, hey, man, hold on, man. I'm missing questions. That's why I tell you, I hit the link, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit the link. You know what I'm saying? If you got questions, hit the link. He said Yellow is 1/3 of GRC. Don't be scared to hit the link. They can cut the camera off. Yeah, you ain't got. Yeah, of course, man. I ain't cammed up on her. You know what I'm saying? You know I can. I'm gonna show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hey, cut the camera off. Let me find out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me find out. All right, let me cut that off. Man. I don't give them too much. Man. You know what I'm saying? She said, what are you cooking? This channel is the real MO3 channel. Where you at, Cash Guy? I want to make sure, you know what I'm saying? Let me drop the link one more time, man. Y'all put y'all questions in the chat, man. We're going to get up out of here. She said, what are you cooking? So said, what you cooking? We got Cash Gang in the building. Cherry. He said, fuck it. Let me hit the link. Let's go. Cash Gang, is you?
What's up? Yeah, what up with you?
Cash Gang, is this you?
Yeah, what up with you? Can you hear me?
What's going on with your peace? Salute to you, my guy. Welcome to the channel, man.
Salute to y'all, man. I just got like two questions real quick.
Let's
Man,
go. We on it.
about the case, anybody look at it that it's kind of odd that Yellow Beezy is even out on a bond with a capital murder?
Not really. You know what I'm saying? Especially in the state of Texas, man. You probably almost gonna always get a bun. And they may be high as a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? But in the state of Texas, you know what I'm saying, you gonna always probably get a bun. You know what I'm saying? So it didn't went odd. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people looked at the bun reduction. It was like woo woo woo, but you know what I'm saying? They gave him a bun in the first place. So the bun reduction don't surprise me either because it would have been different. Like if you look at Lil Durk, for example, he don't have a bun. He didn't have a bun. You know what I'm saying? So if they would have gave Yellow Beezy a bun, then I mean if they would have gave him no bun, then gave him a bun, then would have been peculiar to me. But the fact that they gave him a bun, then reduced it, it's kind of like standard in Texas. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, because I'm from Chicago, bro. So that was kind of odd to me. And
Yeah, I'm from Memphis, so yeah.
my second question is, y'all don't think this all like staged though? Like how long it took for them to even?
To even get somebody get the trial rolling. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It could be it could be strategic, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like I ain't gonna lie to you, like I don't have my moments, you know what I'm saying, to where the not the facts, you know what I'm saying, but the feeling, you know what I'm saying, just you know what I'm saying, we black, man. So just trusting the justice system, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you always gonna have it in the back of your mind, like, you know what I'm saying, like this shit could be staged. But you know what I'm saying? The time don't really tell me that. You know what I'm saying? Because now that it is moving, it's moving like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? It'd be different if we were still here in year 5 and they still ain't got nothing. You know what I'm saying? They getting shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if this is your first episode watching, but go back and
No,
check out the legal checks.
I've been tuning in. I've been tuning in. It ain't my first episode,
Okay,
but
yeah.
it's like I feel you on that, but it's like they did the same thing with Dolph case.
It's a strategic.
The audio went out, gang.
They move strategically.
Come talk. You can talk on the mic.
Okay.
His audio went out, gang. I don't know what's going
Oh
on, but
yeah,
your audio
can you
went out.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, you bet. Yeah, you bet.
Yeah,
You
my
must got
bad.
an iPhone or something.
My phone here. You know, when the screen lock and shit, that shit stop the
Yeah, yeah,
audio.
yeah.
But
Okay.
yeah, I was talking about like it's just all kind of strange. Like when the celebrities, like same thing with Dolph. It took them hella time to do that too. You know what I'm saying? For that trial to happen.
Yeah, I mean, but it's all strategy though. You know what I'm saying? Because you would want to take your time then to rush it. You know what I'm saying? So I could just be strategy. You know what I'm saying? Because shit, you have niggas waiting like he won, for example. You know what I'm saying? The longer niggas sit back there, you know what I'm saying? The longer nigga go through all their thoughts. You know what I'm saying? All this shit. So taking a nigga to the deep end could very well be strategy. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, as long as the docket's moving, subpoenas are being executed, and they niggas flipping from what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? Look like it's moving in the right direction. Finally, it did take a long time, but now that we hear shit ain't stopped moving since. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I pay attention
Yeah.
to.
Yeah, and one more question. I ain't trying to take up all y'all time.
Now you
But
good, fam?
how's this not a federal case already though? This was done like in broad daylight, you know, on the highway, like on the interstate. So how's this not federal already?
Um, well, baby, he asks, how is this not federal already? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but my question is because the feds are most definitely overseeing this for sure. Even if you look at what's his name, Detective Barnes, he's a federal agent. You know what I'm saying, and he's one of the people that's heavily over this. You know what I'm saying? So come talk to the mic, baby. Come talk to the mic.
So their initial investigations started in the feds, right? So with the GRC, and it's not a RICO, I say that with quotation, with the GRC RICO, again, quotation, investigating them boys, getting things, you know what I'm saying, together and locking all of them up. This is where it started, okay? So when that started, you got to think. Jose Bodega, I mean not Jose Bodega, who am I talking about? Which one is dog? Jerry Johnson has made a confession in the feds, right? So the RICO, quote unquote, is in.
Yeah, I lost it. Yeah.
My bad. I unplugged the mic so everybody can hear each other. You stopped at Jerry.
Okay, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so Jerry has given testimony in the feds, which the state wants, right? On Yellow Beezy's side, they cannot touch Jerry just yet, or it wouldn't be smart. I'm not going to say they can't touch him. It wouldn't be smart to, but he has given testimony that the state wants, that they think is conducive to MO3's case. So the case, as far as Devin Kiwan and Yellow Beezy's, is not feds. They wanted to try it as a case state, but information has come from someone who is locked up in the feds. The feds was able to gain cooperation statements and that they will use.
Right. And again, there could be strategy as well too. You know what I'm saying? Whether they trying to try it federally or statewide, they could be strategy too. You know what I'm saying? They could very well be strategy. Yeah, and a lot of people. Yeah, exactly. I was just about to touch on it because I see a couple bloggers, you know what I'm saying that it's going federal and all this stuff. It came too far for it to go federal now. You know what I'm saying? But again, the feds are overseeing this. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever watched one of those movies where like the bank, like somebody robbed a bank and they have the state police there? You know what I'm saying? And the state police can't do the job. Then the feds come in and say, get out the way. You know what I'm saying? So if the state don't do what they supposed to do, which is probably highly unlikely, then the feds will come in. You know what I'm saying? But the state got it, and the feds is overseeing it because, again, Detective Barnes is a federal agent. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
But this is my theory. This is my theory. Now, let's separate the theory from the facts. My theory is the states got their hands all over this. So even though the feds. So even though it say state, you still got, again, Detective Barnes, you still got federal agents who's working this shit. It's just classified as a state for private jurisdiction reasons. Yeah. And Sean G most definitely confirmed that on his conversation with Mink yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I shared on my community wall. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go look up community wall, y'all go listen to that. Detective Barnes is one of the federal agents that's overseeing this thing. You know what I'm saying? They got his hands all over it, and I believe.
He confirmed that Detective Barnes was always on the scene, like when he caught his gun case.
Can y'all hear that?
Turned it to a federal case.
Yeah. But ain't Detective Barnes related? Like, don't he mess with, like, kind of related to Yellow Beezy?
Nah, he have no relations that we know of. You know what I'm saying? No relations to Yellow Beezy at all. You know what I'm saying? He just was the one that he was part of the gang unit. So you know what I'm saying? He know what the hell going on with GRC, HSM, PMG, all that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So I don't know if y'all caught it, but
hold on real quick. And Suka, this has been up for 4 minutes. Salute to my nigga Beezy, man, for that $9.99, man. Drop your link in the chat, Beezy. Drop your link in the chat, man, so people come tap in with you. Dog. Salute to you, man. Appreciate you. And we got Kim back there. Go ahead, baby.
Okay, yeah. And I don't know if y'all heard, neither if y'all haven't listened to me. I don't forgot, baby, because you interrupted me. I
forgot. My bad.
I want to church y'all, I don't want to hold the time up. I'll let somebody else get up here. I just had them couple of questions, though. I'm tuning in.
I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, guys, for pulling up, man.
All right.
Salute to Cash Guy, man. Salute to the shot in the building, man. Big sis Kim, Tenderoni gang in the building. Can you hear us? Are you with us?
Good evening. How are you all doing?
What's up, sis? How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. First, I want to salute both CB and you, Big Josh, for your platform. I absolutely love it. I love the way you all are doing it and running it. I love y'all chemistry. It just y'all doing it. I really don't have a question. It's just a compliment, to be honest with you. And I also just wanted to say that. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I said, "I'll thank you." Go ahead.
Oh, you're very welcome. Oh, and also, thank you all for making me a mod. I really appreciate it. I don't take that lightly. Also, what some people don't understand is you can also be tried federally and state for the same charges. But I know a lot of people don't know that. But you all are doing a phenomenal job, and I know people's wondering why it took so long for the trial. And just y'all got to remember, Yellow was just arrested earlier this year, so
Exactly.
so this is good. Honestly, it's going good
Yeah.
because just Devin was about to go to trials and he get arrested. So I'm loving the way they doing it. Everything is cool. But anyway, that's really all I had to say.
Salute to you. I thought you was my other sis Kim in the chat. So this is Reflections with Kimberly. So
Yes,
salute to
reflection with Kimberly. Yes.
I want to give your flowers as well because that comment that you left, it really got me back on track. You know what I'm saying? I thank you for that. You know what I'm saying? Just keep all supporting. We got you. I promise, man. We ain't gonna let you down.
Hey, and I'm locked in as well. Thank you. I'm gonna get back in the chat.
Let's go. Salute to you, Kim. Have a nice
All right,
night,
bye.
man. You know what I'm saying? Coming through, hitting the light button. Okay. All right, man. So anybody else got any questions in the chat, man? Look, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to the Hot Spot on Broad Street. You know what I'm saying? He's a part of the gang, he's part of the La Familia. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go tap in, man. Anybody that's a content creator that's in the chat that's a part of the gang, man, y'all drop y'all links. You know what I'm saying? So we can tap in, man. We support too. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? We love the law of reciprocation, man. You know what I'm saying? The energy y'all put into us, we most definitely gonna try our best, you know what I'm saying, to put into y'all, man. So anything y'all got going on y'all channels, whatever the case may be, man, let us know. Drop y'all links, man. We will be there. You know what I'm saying? We will be there, man. You know what I'm saying? I reciprocate energy. You know what I'm saying? So if you support, I support. You know what I'm saying? That's how it go, man. This the one of the best ways to live a peaceful life. You know what I'm saying? Just reciprocate the energy that you give. They say fuck you, fuck them. You know what I'm saying? They say I love you, then I love them. You know what I'm saying? The moment they say I don't love you no more, guess what? I don't love you no more. It's easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3, man. You know what I'm saying? But anybody else got any more questions? Anything they want to say? If not, man, we're gonna get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? She be cooking, and I'm in the living room, and she got a nigga sweating. You feel me? She cooking. Somebody Cherry X earlier. She cooking fried fish.
I got pinto beans in the crock pot with some good andouille sausage.
Mm.
I am making a salad.
Yes.
And we are doing honey cornbread. That is what is on Courtney's menu tonight.
Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? It said, Sheila said, sometimes, hold on, I'm gonna put this up there. Hold on. Make sure I get this. All right, Reed said he can come up in just a second. All right. He says, Sheila says sometimes, hold on, I'm gonna click it. I won't lose it. Sometimes the state will have a trial and then drop it in the feds will pick it up. Yes, they can happen, but
not this part of the case.
Right.
It's not gonna happen, y'all.
Yeah. The chances.
But not at this point in the case.
Yeah, it's very possible. You know what I'm saying? It's very possible. Excuse the CashApp. It's preset. Okay. All right. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm waiting on Big Reed. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can continue, you know what I'm saying? Talk to me. I ain't in no rush. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no rush. You know what I'm saying? I be wanting to hear from y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? She down here, the state and the feds work in conjunction depending on the situation. Now, this facts. That's everywhere. It's everywhere. Even if they don't tell you, man, you know what I'm saying? Especially high profile, you know what I'm saying? Big cases, man, I always know, man. You know what I'm saying? Because think about this. If the feds was watching these boys, HSM, MO3, y'all, if the feds was watching them the whole time, these boys been under investigation. You know what I'm saying? So you best believe, man, they still, you know what I'm saying? They still got their hands on it. Again, like I believe it could be strategy, could be jurisdiction, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the case may be. But the overall point, man, is this thing gonna stay state. This thing gonna stay state, man. You know what I'm saying? And y'all gonna make sure y'all go check out the Legal Chat series. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Big Bro for dropping a playlist in the chat. You know what I'm saying? On y'all off time while you're at work or you just need something to binge. You can binge watch it like a Netflix series. You know what I'm saying? You can binge watch it like a Netflix series, man. You know what I'm saying? Some of this stuff will be coming back up. Trust and believe. Like we talk about the motion of continuances today. You know what I'm saying? It will be coming back up. So y'all make sure y'all stay informed, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. So y'all won't be lied to. Not just because we want y'all to support, because y'all already doing it. Just because, you know what I'm saying, it gets murky around here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, like, they got their own narratives. They got their own thing, you know what I'm saying? It gets murky. So make sure y'all stay informed, man. And, you know what I'm saying, we're about to be doing a collab with In the Lab Live, man, with my boy Mahaya, man, real soon, probably tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I got to get with him and see when the schedules align or whatever, man. But me and CB we'll be doing a collab, you know what I'm saying, with Mahel over there in the lab live. So can somebody drop in the lab live link in the chat? You know what I'm saying? Y'all drop Mahel he got about 550 channels, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all drop in the lab live. You know what I'm saying? Or you could just put in the lab live. Spell just like that, and it's gonna pop up, man. You know what I'm saying? We will be over there doing a collaboration with the big homie. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be over there rocking out, talk about MO3, you know what I'm saying, doing a collab. He got his own expertise, he got his own lane when it comes to this thing, and we're gonna combine heads, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put on a dope show, you know what I'm saying, in the name of 3. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all in the building for that as well, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm waiting on Big Reed. You know what I'm saying? Let me drop this link one more again. He said, give him a second. Hold on. We're gonna wait on that. We're gonna wait a couple more minutes, you know what I'm saying? Any more questions? Yeah, anybody got any more questions, man? Any more questions? Please don't forget to hit the like button. Let's go, Reed. I'm waiting on Reed, y'all. I'm waiting on Reed, man. But yesterday, dog, I feel like, man, we did a very good job yesterday, man. It was a lot of pressure. It was a lot of pressure, man. I'm mad I missed the live. I'm gonna replay. Go, hey, Infamous Angel, man. We got the whole playlist. You know what I'm saying? So even if you do miss it, they always up, man. Go back. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing with it, man. CB, did you put red pepper in those beans?
Did I put red pepper?
That was Adjusted Fate.
Did I put red pepper? No, I did not. My andouille sausage, I did. It kind of has like a Cajun type of, and I did use Cajun seasoning.
You already put them in the beans?
What?
Bring me one.
I ain't putting no andouille. You always want to have a taste test.
Yeah, give me one. Just give me one. I've been smelling them things for the longest. She sitting in the living room, got my stomach to growl and shit. Come on, Reed, let's get it. Let's get it, big Reed. We got my nigga Roast to Tizos in the building, man.
Okay.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Hey, what's up with it?
Good damn. Yeah, see me. I'm sorry.
Let me taste that shit.
Hold on, let me show you. Show how these things are looking. Motherfucker good too, boy. I don't lie. What's going on with you, Rose?
Hey, what's up with it? My audio clear?
Yeah, you good. You in that road, ain't you?
You know, that stuff in his face. Now I'm in the car. But look, so my question, I'm gonna create a little scenario which might already be true, right? And I'm gonna ask my question based off the scenario, all right?
That's good.
All right, so you got two different court trials going on, Yellow Beezy, and then you got Q1 and Devin. They going on the same day, same time, right? That's the scenario. Which courtroom, if you had the opportunity, would you rather be in? Which trial you watch? If you could only be in one.
Yellow Beezy, for sure. Because Beezy gonna let you know, because this thing about it. They want to keep Beezy at the end. You know what I'm saying? So you can watch Yellow Beezy trial, and it'll let you know everything, whether they snitch, whatever. Because everything they do in Devin and Keyone trial will be used against Beezy. You know what I'm saying? So you can just watch Beezy trial, and they'll let you know kind of how Devin and Keyone played it.
And that's why I'd rather be in Devin than Q1 trial, right there. Because that's why all the hype been there. That's why all the attention been there all these years. And you gonna find out, you might find out like the exact involvement and details on it. And shit, the plan, the plot, the setup if it was one. You know, all that type of shit that we've been talking about all this time.
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm interested in seeing, though, man. I'm interested in seeing some of these, if we even get that far, because it's my theory. You know what I'm saying? It's my theory. Now, the paperwork don't say this. You know what I'm saying? The dockets don't really show this, but these niggas might plea out. You know what I'm saying? Because you know once you fight trial, you know, so you go to trial, you choose to go to trial. Once you lose, if you lose, they hit you with the max. So with all these niggas flipping, with all these subpoenas and all this shit, man, I really don't see these niggas fighting this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? But if they do, I want to see these goddamn cross-examinations, man. I want to see these people take the stand and their testimonies, and I want to see the cross-examination phase of with people like Rainwater and stuff like that, man. I want to see how they poke holes in these stories.
That's real shit though. I think we all want to see a trial, you know what I'm saying? But if they given an opportunity to take a plea deal, most likely they for sure will, you know. If they know that they got undisputable evidence against them, you know what I mean? So
Right,
yeah,
right, right.
we're on the same page with it. But I'm gonna drop down though. That's all I want to salute y'all.
All right, salute to my nigga Rose, man. Be careful out there. Cause y'all gotta remember, man, you know what I'm saying? In Texas, murder for hire is punished by the death penalty. So they could be looking at the death penalty at the end of this if they go to trial and lose. You know what I'm
Hey,
saying?
drop me
So
down. My shit tripping.
I got you. There you go. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind too. You know what I'm saying? Niggas really gonna play with the death penalty. You know what I'm saying? Or even life. You know what I'm saying? Because you could take a deal and down there get 60 with the possibility of parole or something less than life. You know what I'm saying? With no parole. You know what I'm saying? Anything less than that is a deal, man. You know what I'm saying? But salute to my nigga Reed in the building, man. What's going on with you, guy?
All right, what's up with it, man? Salute. Yeah, man. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you good. You loud and clear, crystal clear.
Yeah, man. Say, man, a lot of y'all folks owe me some money, man. Y'all said we was going to trial, man. I told y'all it's gonna get reset. I'm gonna be honest with you, Josh, man. I don't think it's gonna be no trial, man. I think it's gonna fall in this line right here, man. I think Devin and Keywan is gonna cop out. I think Devin is gonna cop out for, about a 25 or a 35 piece.
Right.
I think Keywan gonna cop out for about the same. Beezy is gonna cop out from anywhere from 15 to 25. You know what I'm saying? And those are my predictions, man. If they was going if they wasn't negotiating no deal, they would have went on and went to trial. That's just how I feel. You know what I'm saying? So it gotta be some deal shit going on. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's just my outlook on it. But Madam Oracle, you owe me $50. And there's a couple of more, y'all. I ain't forgot.
Nah, but what you saying makes sense though, especially in the case with Devin and now with Yellow Beezy. I think he trying to get his full information to see how he gonna fight it before he make his mind up. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah,
Right.
in the end, I most definitely that's how I think it's gonna go to be honest with
Yeah, but one thing about that capital murder. One thing about that capital M, that's the charge that'll make you tell on everything and everybody. You tell on your mama about some goddamn Skittles y'all stole out the store when y'all was folk. Once you get that capital M charge on you, you know what I'm saying. So they'll definitely go ahead and get to telling, man, when it get to being crunch time, and it's like, man, it's really time to start really making some decisions. You know what I'm saying. They'll go ahead and stop playing. And go ahead and take the best deal that's for them. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my outlook on it. And y'all doing a good job, man. Keep it up, man. Keep telling the truth.
Appreciate you, man.
And you know, Reed, right now they in the plea window. So you correctly right when you say you exactly right when you say you think they may be in some talks about some pleas because this is the plea window. They would have took it to trial if they weren't gonna take no plea. Period. Point blank. Bottom line. Right. So and also then to moving Keywan's and Devin's trial to Yellow Beezy's date was strategically done too. They if they are in plea negotiations or talking about accepting a trial, they trying to tie them niggas out. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's what they trying to do.
Got the boys on the deep end. But yeah, I most definitely agree with that though. That's what I've been saying since, like, you know what I'm saying, since the beginning, man. I don't see these niggas playing with this. I don't see these niggas fighting this. You know what I'm saying? Because when you lose trial, boy, you get hit with the max. You know what I'm saying? Like I be telling people, most niggas that go to trial, and I know niggas talk this gangster shit, but most niggas that go to trial, a good percentage of them, not 100%, but close to 100, they plea out, man. Niggas ain't niggas. If niggas know that they did some shit and the evidence show that they did some shit, they go to trial, man.
Niggas is pleading out, man, for real, man. I know, like, a nigga is sitting there and play the game with them for as long as they can, but your lawyer gonna be the one to say, look, this is the last time, bro. Like, they ain't playing. They say it's action time. You know what I'm saying? So niggas be just playing, bro. I done it before. I done sat and played with them folks for months and months and on end just to get back time. You know what I'm saying? Even though they charges is a little bit more serious. But yeah, man, that shit go on, man.
Yeah. Niggas ain't playing with them trials, man. Hell nah. Especially not no murder for hire. Hell nah. In Texas, no deal.
Oh no, yeah, no.
But the best
And
way to
you know the
go ahead.
murder for hire, man, especially like for the person who didn't actually commit the act. You know what I'm saying? They put that capital on there to make you tell. Yeah, of course they want to get the person who put the money behind it and orchestrated it, but they really want the person who got the nuts to squeeze the trigger and take you out the game. That's why in most of these cases, y'all be seeing the people who actually squeeze the trigger get more time than the actual person who paid and orchestrated for the hit to get done. You know what I'm saying? It's a pressure tactic.
Yep, put pressure on them boys. It's factual, dog. I agree with that 100%. You know what I'm saying? It's working.
Yeah.
Like, I really
Oh
believe
yeah.
Devin's gonna be the first one. Devin's gonna be the first one to take his deal, man.
Right. So did was there was that hearing public where Beasley got some got his bail conditions modified?
Nah, I mean the documents is public, but nah, it went on TV like it was the first bond hearing. That went on TV or nothing. You just popped up and
Right,
just
right. See now, another reason why they probably pulled this card to get it set off this time. They was probably like the lawyer probably like, look, I need some more money. You know, them lawyers can tell them like, look, I ain't been paid all the way. Look, let's give them a little bit more time so I can get my money. And them
right.
judges is going to set that shit off. You
Fact.
know what I'm saying? So he was trying to get out so he can go to work and do all that old good shit. He probably really need that money to pay them lawyers, man.
Hell yeah.
For real.
Hell yeah. That one got Toby Shook. You know Toby Shook ain't bullshit.
Hell no. And see on cases like this, you know what I'm saying? It's not like when you catch an aggravated robbery, okay, it's flat rate, 10 bands. And that nigga, they working by the hour.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So that boy had to go out and get done. You had to go out and get
Yeah,
that money.
they working by the hour. This ain't no flat rate. You know what I'm saying? Unless he just done a lot of business with Toby. But yeah, man, that's I'm working by the hour, homie. This is
Hell
high
yeah.
profile, and that's not it's not a cheap by the hour either. Shit, they're getting paid.
Hell yeah. That's
So
exactly what good
but I ain't
point.
gonna cap. He do got a badass lawyer though.
Ah, yeah. Toby Shook. They said that boy won lawyer of the year down there 10 years in a row or something out there.
Yeah, man, he got a badass lawyer, man. He square business. He remind me of like Bill Knox, them type of dudes, man. He's square business, man. Yeah, he's square business. But one thing you can't beat, man, you can't beat paperwork. You can't beat text. You can't beat another motherfucker saying he
Nah, you
did it. He gave me this. He gave me that. It's hard to beat all that. And
hell yeah. The
yeah,
only thing you can
I
tell
don't give a
is
damn
fight
who
for
you
me.
hire.
Just fight for me,
Yeah.
goddamn. That's all thing you can tell a nigga like that, goddamn. Just fight for me.
Yeah, all you can do for me is give me the best deal, and that's what he paying. That's what he paying Toby Shooks for, to get the best deal.
Let's go.
He know he finna have to sit down. He know he gonna have to sit down. That nigga paying for the best deal.
Let's go.
For
Read
real,
that.
he gonna make him work. Yeah, for real.
Yeah,
No,
that,
that's the real shit.
that's real shit right there. That's good analysis too, man. You made some good, strong points right there, dog. From experience too, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I know you didn't been in Dallas, you know what I'm saying? You've been through the Dallas County and shit yourself, man. So most definitely, man, that shit.
No, for real. Yeah, man, I done been down through there, man, with Dallas County, and then just this Texas system, period. The whole state is wicked. They all fall up under the same guidelines and point system. So the whole state wicked, man. It's just some cities and some counties, man, just is not like they be doing extra.
Nah, most
They be
definitely.
going above and beyond,
Yeah, nigga, I fucked around and caught a charge out there in Grayson County, out there in Sherman, nigga. Why the fuck I do that? Shit,
In
I ain't.
Sherman,
Yeah, nigga, that's why I moved.
dang.
When I first moved to Texas, that's why I came to. I came to Sherman before I went to Dallas, then Houston. Yeah, I was out there in
Oh,
Sherman.
okay, right on. Yeah, that's the wrong place to catch a car charge. Yeah, if they don't want us, if they can't send you to jail, they're gonna put your ass on probation. That's for damn sure.
Nigga. Like, man, you heard me. Yeah,
For
yeah.
real.
Yeah, man.
Damn, Grayson County, man. I just passed through there the other night.
Yeah, going to the damn Choctaw. I know you did.
So I never want to go out there again. I don't give a fuck where I go. I'm going a long way around. Fuck Grayson. I ain't never. I don't care where I go.
That nigga gonna take 30 to Choctaw.
I'm going a long way around. Fuck it. Fuck them. I don't never want to see that place again. Them niggas didn't even want to let me leave. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna have to stay here. My lawyer had to, you know what I'm saying, get permission for me to get to Houston.
Damn. Shit, nigga, that's how I feel about Hunt County, nigga. Shit, I don't even want to never go back through that bitch.
My mama, this is over with.
For real. Yeah. But I got blessed out there in Hunt. I got blessed in Hunt County, man. I beat that attempted murder charge out there.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. I beat that attempted murder, man. I shot this nigga named Darius Jones. Shot that nigga 8 times with a 40. You know what I'm saying?
God damn. I don't know who Darius is, but shit.
Nah, he ain't dead, bro. They said the only thing that saved him because he was on a whole bunch of drugs. He had crack, PCP, meth, heroin. He was on everything, bro. They was like, that's the only thing that saved his life. He's still walking around with a shit bag to this day.
Then when you
Huh?
Then when you had went to Ferguson?
No, I beat this case.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I beat this. He pulled up on me and pulled a gun on me, my nigga, and shit, nigga, I let that nigga have it. And the nigga didn't even have no bullets in his gun after everything was said and done, stupid ass nigga. Right. But yeah, he ain't had no bullets in his gun, man. And yeah, I beat that case. So you know, a nigga know a little something about this system out here, man. And I'm a convicted felon. Man, and I beat the case. So you know, a nigga know how to work. Nigga know how to work that system, man. Yeah, like a motherfucker.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. On mama.
Nah, nigga was truly blessed, man. That's why, that's why I smile every day. What's that nigga Roy Lee say? Nigga, smile every day, enjoy life. Man, say. Cause it was almost over for a nigga, man. I thought I was finna go to the penitentiary forever. But you know, the Lord works in the favor of the people who really be, trying to live right. You might not be living all the way right. You might bump your head every now and then, but nigga know a nigga heart is genuine. So I feel like the Lord look out for them folks. And he definitely looked out for me, man. Square business.
That's facts, boy, because I ain't gonna lie. When I was in there, that motherfucker Sherman, boy, I ain't know how the fuck them folks hit me with a 30,000.
That's the Lord. That's the Lord. That's the Lord.
Even if I had 30,000, I wasn't finna spend it on jail. This shit the fuck out. Every time I go to jail, nigga, I'm looking for a deal to get it back there. But I ain't no jail, hell nah. But I'll go jail that shit all the way out. 30,000 now. They're gonna be waiting on me.
Damn, nigga, you had a $30,000 bond?
Hell yeah.
You would pay $3,000 to get out.
I know the one.
They just gave your cash.
Straight. They ain't even hell nah. 30,000.
Oh hell no!
Yeah, give me that probation. Give me the fuck up out there bit with the quickness.
Say, Josh, that's when you go into the cell and then look in that little dingy ass mirror and say, you know, you done fucked up, right?
Oh God. Like what? 30,000? Shit, man. You already know.
You done fucked up, right?
Right. God damn, boy. I ain't never had. I go from Memphis, dog. So. Memphis, Texas give these crazy ass buns. I wasn't used to that shit. Yeah. I'm used to 1,500, 2,000. You know what I'm saying? Shit, 30,000, nigga, I damn near fainted. I said, whoa, Lord. Like you said,
that's too much.
I work in mysterious ways. I end up finding a lawyer. You know what I'm saying? All this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm free now.
Yeah. Man, this last time I went to jail, bro, it's been this last time I went to jail, nigga. I hadn't been to jail in about 15 years, so I ain't, I felt I was green type shit. So, man, I go in jail and shit, my nigga, and the niggas in there, asking what a nigga in there for. I tell them I got a little probation violation, some misdemeanor shit. You know what I'm saying? Them niggas talking about, oh, you gonna get a bond, bro? You gonna get a bond? I said, bro, get the fuck away from me with that. You gonna get a bond, shit, nigga.
man, it's over with.
Leave me alone, nigga. Don't try to get my hopes up. Bitch, leave me alone. Bitch, don't you see I got this toilet paper as a pillow? Bitch, I'm used to this. Get the fuck away from me.
They said, okay, so we bragging on being felons or sticking to case points. Hey man, look, we
Hell
deserve.
no.
I don't know where you came from, you know what I'm saying, but we deserve for politicking, man. You know what I'm saying? For our shared experiences, man. As black men, man. Can we do that, Shay? Are we allowed to do that, Shay? You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
But
Yeah,
salute
man, that jail shit, that my trip to the penitentiary and going to jail is what molded me into the person that I am today.
respect.
Not to say that if I didn't take that route, I wouldn't have been the person that I am today. I might have been better than what I am today, but shit, I feel pretty damn good.
Man,
You feel me?
what Lil Wayne say? I used to say fuck the police. Now I say fuck jail. They were going to jail with whether it's 2 days. The right nigga, you go from saying fuck the police to fuck jail, nigga. You heard me? And in my
Oh, for real.
situation, I ain't gonna lie. At the time, I needed it. You know what I'm saying? They would got me on what I'm on now. I ain't fuck that. God
Right.
willing, I ain't doing shit. I don't give a fuck what it is. Leave me the fuck alone. And I might snitch on you. You know, fuck that.
No.
I ain't going back. I'm like, hell nah.
That nigga say I might snitch on you.
That's my
No, for real. But
yeah.
yeah, man, shit, man. But yeah, man, hey, man, y'all doing a good job, man. I'm finna get up off of this hole, man. I got to go in this liquor store and get me some drink, man. God damn, been a long day. But
I got
man,
you.
salute to y'all, man. Y'all keep this shit going, man. Keep this shit going.
You
Keep
already
the
know.
truth in the air. Keep them haters out your hair. You know what I'm saying? And don't smoke crack. It's whack. I'm gonna get with y'all,
Most
man.
definitely not. Let's go now. Salute to my nigga Reed, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Big Reed, man. Sidewalk gang, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go fuck with Big Reed, man. Yeah, man. Like I said, man, we will be doing a collab show over there with Mahia, man, in the lab live. You know what I'm saying? Within the coming days, you know what I'm saying? I gotta chop it up with him about this and that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm finna get up out of here though, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get no joint trial. Remember, no joint trial, y'all. So if y'all hear any bloggers saying it's gonna be a joint trial, you know what I'm saying? It'd be hard for me to watch, you know what I'm saying, a lot of this stuff, but I gotta be tapped in sometimes to some people. You know what I'm saying? I seen Ceddy Nash. I said I wasn't gonna speak, but Ceddy Nash, stay out the MO3 sector, dog. You know what I'm saying? You can't microwave this. You know what I'm saying? That nigga went from saying the trial day coming, then the next upload, the nigga said they pushed it back and it's going federal. Hey man, Ceddy Nash, stop clout chasing off the MO3 sector. You ain't been here. You can't microwave this, dog. You cannot microwave this, dog. You had to be a day one. You gotta know what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? You just can't pop up with an upload. You know what I'm saying? Saying, nah, man, you can't microwave this, dog. You gotta know what the hell going on, man. You know what I'm saying? So even then niggas see Ceddy Nash live and think that he got the facts, and then they microwaving his information. Now you just got misinformation all around this motherfucker, man. But thank God for, you know what I'm saying, room 901, because we got y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? She said, I told Ceddy he felt like worse than Humpty Dumpty. He didn't got lazy, man. You know what I'm saying? He didn't got lazy. That's one thing we ain't gonna never gonna do, man. We ain't gonna never get lazy, man. We gonna always, it's all about three. You know what I'm saying? We might end up introducing some new cases. You just never know. You know what I'm saying? Legal chess can go either way, man. But we ain't gonna never get lazy. We gonna always remain humble. You know what I'm saying? We gonna always put on, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't waste my time. I'm a researcher. I'm a nerd at heart anyway. You know what I'm saying? The CB is as well. So you know what I'm saying? We have fun doing this. We take pride in doing this, and we gonna always give 110, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to your body. Salute to everybody coming in, man. We finna get up out of here though, man. CB already left. She cooking. You know what I'm saying? We finna get up out of here, man. We gonna see y'all very, very soon. Like I said, man, we got some research to do tonight with some things. Hey, man, it's continuing to get interesting, dog. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all stay tapped in. Check out the Legal Chess playlist. And man, I'm finna get up out of here, man. Much love and appreciation to everybody that showed love, whether it was on Twitch, whether it was on YouTube, man, the super chats, the cheers, man, even y'all energy and y'all presence alone, man. Y'all hitting the like button, all of that, man, means a lot to us, man. It keeps us going. You feel me? So, man, we gonna see y'all on the next episode, man, of Legal Chess. Y'all stay safe, stay dangerous, man, them YouTube streets, and stay woke, man. Stay woke. You know what I'm saying? Y'all over here, y'all got the right information, the factual information, man. So don't get lied to out there. Don't get caught up in the storylines. Don't get caught up in the hype. Don't get caught up in other people's narratives and them trying to control the narrative or what they want y'all to believe. Man, if you got to, come spin the block on one of these episodes and get that real information, man. We got y'all. I promise you that. If nothing else, we got y'all, man. But salute, man. Good night. Salute to all my moderators, man. Salute to all the supporters and the subscribers. Salute to y'all, man. We gonna see y'all when we see y'all, man. How we gonna get up out of here, man? How we gonna get up out of here, man? I'll play this one again, man. All right, man. Salute y'all. I'm gonna get up out of here. Love y'all, man. Deuces.
God. On bubble, nigga. 3G4L, nigga. Look. Another state with the gang. Got my foot in the sand. Don't mention me in none of your comments. Go pick up your man. Slide and don't say nothing. They go fuck on the bitch. All they know fast in jail, but they don't know what he did. Fuck the comments in the post. This is real life. If I ever catch a op, he gon' die that night. Bro be tryna tell me chill. No, I ain't living right. But he know I'm for the smoke, so don't believe the hype. If I got a step, then it is what it is. Balenciaga print. When I drop the little bitch, got it. Walk over him, and we won't say nothing. Fuck getting them touched, bitch, I'ma crush him. That's what I'm
body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on our own. Back 3 on everybody and my friend. So I'm around with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
100 pounds, I broke them down, that's why I ran through them. And if a nigga want them problems, we gon' tend to him. I'm in the trenches, relaxed, chillin' with my feet up in my handgun. Niggas just be talking, but ain't saying nothing. I was taught to watch these niggas and keep it pistol. I be damned if I start laying with my nigga, even though I miss him. Niggas acting like bitches, I don't understand them, I don't get them. Got them straight out the trenches with some niggas that'll come and kill. Remember when my granny told me I'm a man now? She seen a nigga go get it without no hand down. I'm a real nigga, hands down. Stay focused, ain't got time to be playing around. That's a spaceship in, I can hear what they saying now. Good cushion and L, designer symbols all on my belts. Look in the mirror, boy, you good? Yeah, I'm just talking to myself. I just be thinking about the hood, like how I came up from there. And we ain't going back, no cross account, I promise, I swear. Yeah, I been going in early in the morning, stacking up this paper till this shit start getting boring. I kill you, that's a warning. My niggas be on it. All the fucking money got these bitches acting horny.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on our own. Back 3 on everybody and my friend. So I'm around with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to. Yeah. So I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got it in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.